म्हाका कितें
आम्ही विलेज पंचायत बेतालबातीन सोयले आयज एंड द डेप्युटी सरपंच एंड आम द वॉर्ड पंच ऑल्सो फॉर तोंडवाडा. सो आमकां एक इश्यू आहलो एक बेस्ट लोकेशन खातीर तांचे जायते ऑक्युपन्सी लागून आमी एक इन्स्पेक्शन करून आमी थिंगा जायते इलिगलिटी आसा म्हणून आमी ते तांकां डिनाय केल्ली ऑक्युपन्सी सर्टिफिकेट एक्सटेन्शनाचे ते. सो ते डिनाय केले म्हणून तेमी कोर्टान घातले एंड इट वॉज व्हिडिओ. बट देन आमचे सेक्युरिटीज ट्रान्सफर जावन आमकां पर्मनंट सेक्युरिटी ना जावन आमचे ते टायम लॅप्स जाले आनी डीम म्हणून तांकां ते ऑक्युपन्सी सर्टिफिकेट मेळून. आनी नेक्स्ट नाव तेमी कितें केलें दे अप्लायड फॉर द ट्रेड लायसन्स. नाव ट्रेड लायसन्स हाव टू गिव कित्याक आमकां खबर तेंचे सामकें क्लियर आसूं ना म्हूण. सो वी हॅड कॉल फॉर अ सायट इन्स्पेक्शन. When we had called for a site inspection, after that there was a code of conduct, and so we couldn't do the inspection. And there was after there's Christmas, and then secretary went on leave, so after it is our now. So now what they did is they used this DIN provision, and they got the trade license from the secretary who was there when our present secretary was on leave. This fellow comes just one day and gives the license, trade license, and goes. So there was a big issue because none of us, I mean, what punch, कोणाकूय खबर आसना. So एक secretary leave आसले and a new secretary had come in absence. And in that period, some information should have come to the ward punch or to all the punch members because we were fighting a case on this. So the secretary just comes without the knowledge of the punch members, just gives the trade license, gives them the and this goes. So we had an issue, so we came to the video today and we discussed this and many other issues that we are struggling with in the Betalbati Panchayat. So we've discussed and video has told us that she is going to help us sort out the issues. So we are waiting for the favorable response from the video now.
बरोबर कितें कितें ताका ऑक्युपन्सी काडची कितें काडचें कितें म्हणटा तें मागीर
रिवोक करपा कित्याक चोय सारकें क्लियर आसपा जाय न्हू.
रिवोक करून कितले दीस उरतले दिवची पडटा न्ही ताका
7 days. पयले आहले तेमी आतां शॉर्टन केला न्हू डेज. 7 days is just not possible. We don't even have our meetings. Now they are saying have meetings 4 days. I mean every week. It's not possible. 15 days and तुका inspection करपाक तुका स्टडी करपाक पडटा फायल. What are the discussion करपा आसता. It is not a simple thing like we have a one house.
तुमचे ऑब्जेक्शन फक्त ट्रेड लायसनाचेर आसा ताका
No,
दिल्लें.
we had an objection even on the occupancy to the extension. कित्याक थिंगा जायते इश्यू जाल्ले. इवन फार्मर्स हेड इश्यू. तेंची ती सुवेज आसा ती थिंग शेतां आहा सकयल शेताची आनी एक्चुअली कंप्लेन्स खूब आसा. This location, this sand dunes already is built on the sand dunes. Actually, that is what the information I have got. It is
As a punch member, you have filed any complaint with this?
we have discussed it.
Because the structure is already there.
We have filed complaints. We have put a case. I mean, we are fighting the case. So, but it is taken on deemed provision because of this gap of the secretary's lapse and that area. ते सगळे तेंगेले इवन तेंगे CRZ मुखायले आहा ते सगळे CRZ एरिया सगळे कॉन्क्रीट आहा. And I had raised this objection.
Objection
But
during
what they take is they take opportunities of these provisions and they are
objection during the meeting, right?
meetings,
Panchayat
meetings, Gram Sabha meetings, farmers issues were there. Farmers are given. We have done inspection. We have seen the pipes, sewage pipes been released in the fields. Still, like these issues are going on. So we couldn't give no occupancy when there are so many problems. Sand dunes are construction, extension kota, sewage sota, and then trade lines. So it was all, we were sorting out this problem. It takes time. We can't just go and do something. So they with that time gave back on advantage kela and we have asked for this, got the trade license.
What is your name?
Ilma Dias.
आम्ही व्हिडिओ एक मॅटर आसलो ट्रेड टॅक्स ताका लायसन्स दिल्ले ऑक्युपन्सी दिली आनी ट्रेड टॅक्स बसोवपाक आनी आमी तें बॉडी डिसिजन घेयल्लें तेगे इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक म्हणून. आतां इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक आमी एक इन्स्पेक्शन काडलें मदें मागीर तें कितें जालें आनी कॅन्सील जालें. तेजे फाटल्यान मागीर कोड लागलो. कोड लागून आतां तेणें आपण बेस्ट लोकेशन बेलिजा म्हणून तेणें एप्लिकेशन केलां आपणाक डीम प्रोविजन जालें म्हणून. आनी ती आमी सेक्रेटरी आहलो ती लिवेन आहलो ताका एडिशनल चार्ज दिलो. ताका एडिशनल चार्ज दिलो आसता तेणें ती डीम प्रोविजन म्हणून तेणें ती दिली. आतां आमगे आमी ते विचार पाहिले बाबा तेज्यान दिवपा जाता ना काय म्हूण मागीर ती कितें म्हणटा गेम प्रोविजनाची पयले अमेंडमेंट दुसऱ्या लॉंत न्यू येयला विथीन 7 days दिवपा जाय म्हूण आतां ती म्हणटा तुमकां समज बॉडी डिसिजन आहा तुम्ही बॉडी मिटींग गेले स्पेशल मिटींग गेले ते रिव्यू करे आनी मागीर इन्स्पेक्शन काडे आनी तुमी कितें डिसिजन घेन रेस्टॉरंट ते हॉटेल
हॉटेल
कमर्शियल
कमर्शियल सो ताका इतले ट्रेड लायसन
ना
नाशिल्लें
आहलोलें हे न्यू एडिशनल
एडिशनल
हे ट्रेड टॅक्स आहलो न्यू एडिशनल
एडिशनल कित्याक लागून हावसिंग बी कितें आसता का
ना तेंगे रुमान ते बारीक बारीक कितें गायल्लें आखे प्लॅन घालून ते येयल्ले ते आतां तेजें इन्स्पेक्शन गेल्लें आमी तो खंय चुकल जाल्यार पंचायती रेव्हेन्यू येता जाल्यार येयन दी म्हण आमगे तितलो हें हो सगळें दाखयनाय न्हू पंचायती रेव्हेन्यू लागून आमी इन्स्पेक्शन गेल्ले आनी आमगे रेव्हेन्यू वाडया म्हूण चडोया म्हूण आनी